Hey foodies, welcome back to the channel. So today we're making a Jamaican style corn on the cob. I've searched the internet for this recipe and I can tell you it's not there. So this one is an exclusive. Have you ever been to one of those all-inclusive hotels in Jamaica? Well, this is how they make the corn on the cob. If you end up liking this video, I want you guys to go ahead and hit the subscription button for more content like this one. And remember, I'm Alex the Feel Good Chef. Alright, so we went to the supermarket today just to get some corn. It says that it's $2 for 3, call it $2. Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to break this down. So you want to start by removing all of the leaves from the outside. And you want to take out all of the hair from the corn as well. So you want to take this off. Yeah, I really do love working with corn. It's because corn is one of those foods that are just readily available. It's cheap, it's easy to prepare, it's nutritious, and it's filling. So that's the reason why I really love working with corn. You want to take out as much as I can take out. Alright guys, so now you want to give it a rinse. Alright, so now that we have these rinse, we're going to go ahead and prepare the liquid to boil the corn. Okay foodies, let's get back to the meat of the matter. So we have a Dutch pot right here. We have about 2 liters of water. We're going to season this water. Then we're going to put it on the stove and bring it to a boil. Then we're adding in our corn. So we want to add 1 Scotch bonnet pepper, a spring of thyme, scallion. We're adding 1 tablespoon of salt. We're going to be adding ½ cup of sugar. And of course, 1 can of Grace coconut milk. It's over to the fire. Now that the coconut milk is being boiled, we're going to add some cinnamon and we're going to let this cook for about 15 minutes. The best thing to add would have been cinnamon stick, but we don't have any of that, so we're using cinnamon powder. We're going to cook this for another 15 minutes and then we should be good to go. Okay foodies, at the end of the day, this is what the finished product looks like. You see how this looks bright and yellow, the coconut milk creamy. We'll have the pepper, we won't burst the pepper in it because we don't want it to be too hot, we just want the flavor from the pepper. Show you the recipe in this video. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know if you'll be trying it out. And also remember to show your support by subscribing. Until the next time, remember, feel good.